best cigar, old school here. Let's see if 10 spins, 10 bucks a spin can't be nice to old school. Today, here we go. That would have been nice. Like super nice. Like holy crap nice. Like I can't talk over the cash machine behind me nice. Somebody just won 200 credits and it sounds like they just won 20,000. Come on. Maybe you can give me 20,000. That would have been close. Well, not that close. Come on. Too fast, fast, fast. Do it again. On the line. Ooh. Thank you, cherries. I know you're smiling at me because you wish that was a triple cigar. But it's 2 more spins. Come on. Thank you, cherries. You should have joined the party, though. Thank you. I like how it pauses there for a second, like the alarm's gonna go off and you just gotta hand pay. But I'll take it. Let's get it back to back. Thank you, cherries. Let's do it. Let's do it. Come on now. Let's be nice. Come on, Cigar. Thank you, cherries. Come on, Cigar. Sound like Lou Gossett in that classic Officer and Gentleman movie. Let's do it. Let's do it right now. Couple more spins. Come on. That was too fast to even hope. Last spin. Not this time, Cigar. You got me. Cheers, all. Thanks for watching. All right, Double Jackpot, old school Bally's machine. Let's see if you can't be nice with 10 spins, 10 bucks a spin. Let's see some quick hits on the line. Let's see those 7s on the line. Let's just turn 100 bucks into 300, and you know I'll be happy. Here we go. Thank you, quick hit. Money back. Come on. Money back again. Take it every spin. Let's do it. Come on. Let's be nice. Money back again. We'll take it. Let's match them up, please. You guys join the party. Actually, you join the party and you join the party. I just bet 1 credit, guys. Noodle boy. Let's even it out. All right. 5 more spins. Come on. Thank you, quick hit. Money back again. 2 more spins. All right, last spin. you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Back to even now, guys. Let's do this. Let's do it. Let's get that 5 grand. Let's get the 10 grand. Actually, I'd be happy. Come on, let's be realistic. I'd be happy with 300. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on. Get on the line. Come on now. Don't be stingy. Come on. All right, that's going down fast from that 100 win. Thank you, Quick Hits. You should pay more on the line, but whatever. Couple more spins. Last spin, let's make it count. Miracle, here we go. One more spin, miracle, here we go. Not this time, oh, one more spin. I won't even say it. Oh, touche, touche. Cheers all, thank you for watching. All right, Mr. Old School, old school. 1 token, $25 machine, max bet. Let's see if 4 spins can't be nice to Old School. Here we go. Thank you. Come on. Oh, ho, ho, 2 grand if that just moved on up. Thank you, cherries. Those double bars really want to fall. Ooh. Last spin. Not this time. You got me, Double Diamond. Cheers, all. What's up, guys? Old School here. Wild Cherry. Something will happen here at Wild Cherry. We got $15 spins. We're going to do max bet. Let's see what happens. Let's be nice. Wild Cherry, here we go. Nice. That works. A little bit there. Let's see what happens on this backup spin. I've been hurting, guys. I gotta take that little profit there. Let's do a 1 credit. All right. Sorry. Gotta take that little profit for now. Move on. Thanks, Wild Cherry. Greetings all. Chainsaws and toasters. Let's see if we can't get some cool sounds from this machine with a hand pay. 10 spins to do it. Here we go. Dun dun dun. Come on. Oh, that would have been sweet. Like $10,000 sweet. Come on, 5 times. Let's see it. Diagonally, I'll take that. Come on. Show me that chainsaw with a cherry. Thank you. Almost back to even. Come on. Thank you, Wild Toaster. All right, right direction now. Let's go. All right. You know what, guys? I'm taking 50 bucks out of here for once. First winner. Try something else, but I'll be back. All right, double red, white, and blue. Let's be nice to old school today. 10 spins, 10 bucks a spin. Let's do it. Let's do it. Come on. Let's do it, please. Thank you. Back to even. Come on. Come on. Works. Right direction. Let's do it. Come on. Bring you down. Either way. Come on. This is the last spin. Maybe not. 5 more spins. I'm taking 50 bucks out of here. Unless the machine says otherwise. I would have taken a blank. Unless you guys got up there. Come on. Thank you. All right, let's hit something on this spin right here. So close, and yet so far. All right. Still gonna go a couple more spins. Come on. Let's get over 200. Before we hit 150. Thank you. Free spin. Come on, 2 more spins. Last spin. Nice. All right, 5 more spins to do it. Still 5 more spins. Come on now. Nice, 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 nice. 300. We'll take it. Let's do a couple of backup spins. Come on. More? Thank you. Thank you. How about 1 more backup? That's a tease. I want to play more, but I'm taking that 400 out of here, guys. And moving on to something else. Thank you, double red, white, and blue for once. On a $10 bet, you did me a solid. Cheers, all. Sorry I'm muffled. I am wearing my mask. It's still... All right, Mr. Haywire. 10 spins. Let's be nice. Here we go. Would have been nice. Come on. Come on. Thank you. Thank you. We'll take that. That works. Let's do it again. Ooh. Come on. Cherry. Nope. All right, guys. Got to take that ticket. Thanks, Mr. Haywire. Nice to win. Cheers, all.